arranging a delivery of a natural stone cladding to a customer here in Apolonia, you see. So here be Apolonia Road, by your cafe here. So whatever it is, you give us a call, you do a delivery to your location as soon as possible. Bismarck, eweza jumala ochina nao. Eze, ochina na. Ah, Bismarck. Tamni ho. Bisa nyame do ochina na, eweza jumala ha. Ochina no papa. Se so location ano beira. Bismarck, she down with soon. Oh, side down. Aha, location of Woodahoo. Yes, sir. Everything cool. Oh, no, because now, my tell her plenty. You tell your clients plenty. Oh no! They don't chow. You look at people. They will call. They are plenty. They chow money for everywhere. He gave for target. They are deserted for target. Meroke, mileji. Meroke take chonji ke miya sar do chonji ke meroke. Aha. Eh, but small. See, I'm not sure about how over so pro sansa. Over Pachabo. About this, you know. Who can't take the measurement? But it's like it keeps small. It keeps small. Yeah. So as I was a picture, so here they like two they go rich. Two they to show the rich. But he can't take the measurement. That is flat Adam. So when you finish it, maybe if it's on remain, I will see how. Yes, please.